say that to getting to the moon, the computer systems that were used had less power than the calculator that you normally use at home or the mobile phone in your pocket right now. So ladies and gentlemen, I would want you to just sit back and ask yourself, if a calculator could take somebody to the moon, what will the technology that we have right now be capable of doing? And also, how can we link that to circular economy? And ladies and gentlemen, allow me to base my talk today on Safaricom and how we are looking at catalyzing and leveraging digital technologies and innovation to redefine our approach to sustainability and the circular economy. One of our cornerstones as Safaricom is impact, and this lies in our commitment to becoming a purpose-led technology company. A purpose-led technology company that is looking to transform lives in each and every way that is possible. During our last financial year, we were able to collect about 200,000 kilograms of waste. And we normally would have done this using Excel sheets, but as years have rolled over, we've realized the aspects of data and reporting analytics. And we believe that this will form a strong foundation in circular economy. This will enable us to have a bit of knowledge and insight to help us in the current and the future in regards to making decisions around circularity and ensuring that we close the loop. Moreover, Safaricom is dedicated to innovation by looking at our groundbreaking initiatives, M-Pesa being a key one of them. I know most of us have interacted with M-Pesa in one way or another. And we are looking at how can mobile money, being a key groundbreaking initiative, help us in advanced circular economy. How can it help us tackle e-waste management, which is the key topic for today's conference, and help us in recycling program. So allow me just to point out a few initiatives that we are doing that have shown that this is possible, and products like financial services can be used to drive circular economy. It was good to see that Mary was here and Kieran was also here. I don't know if he's left. But one of the projects that we're doing is a project we're doing with Mr. Green in regards to their green point system and how they are able to just generate incentives to people who bring plastic waste to them. So how did we get into such a partnership, and what are we doing with Mr. Green? So we are able to integrate our M-Pesa system to Mr. Green's green point system to open up their incentives platform, such that now anybody who takes plastic to Mr. Green and gets green points can be able to redeem their green points at any M-Pesa outlet with a till number, with an M-Pesa agent, and basically just opening up the incentives platform to everybody outside, even Nairobi. You're looking at Garissa, Kisii, anywhere that Mr. Green is willing to grow and expand into. This is one of the ways that we are leveraging on financial services. And finally, this sets us up for one of the key enablers of Safaricom and what Safaricom is driving, and that's partnerships and collaborations. Partnerships and collaborations form a fabric of how we work and how we want to create impact and transform lives. And that's why I started off with mentioning our partners and what we are doing and how we are looking to drive circular economy through our partners. Allow me to mention a couple of projects that we are doing with our partners just to appreciate them and also to show how much partnerships can contribute to the aspect of circular economy. So on e-waste, we've done a training with NEMA, with WEEE Centre on formalizing the informal and training waste collectors on managing e-waste. I believe this was done in 2020 with the help of WEEE Centre, and we managed to train different communities from Dandora, Kibera, and Eldoret on how to handling electronic waste. Another initiative we have been trying to do is around trade-ins. How can we prevent mobile phones from ending up in dump sites? How can we increase the length of your mobile phones? So we started 2 pilots with 2 partners, Badili Africa and Calcare, in a few selected outlets just to test the model and to figure out how we can get mobile phones, old mobile phones, spoiled mobile phones, and we can give value for those mobile phones. Unfortunately, the pilots were not successful as we hoped. We are hoping to rejig the business model and get this model up and running so that we can reduce the amount of mobile phones and devices that end up in our dam sites. Another project we are working with is, again, with WEEE Centre. I know I've mentioned WEEE Centre more than once or thrice now, but it's fine. Where we are using our offices as collection points for electronic wastes, which we work with WEEE Centre in collecting. So this has been one of the key things that we've been doing from, I believe, it's been a while up to now. And finally, participating in such conferences so that we can create more awareness around such initiatives, awareness around circular economy, electronic waste, and getting everybody just to jump on board and to help us close out this loop. But Safaricom's impact extends beyond these immediate initiatives. It has inspired a ripple effect, and we aspire to also motivate small, large, medium-sized businesses to also do the same, to come work with us in order to create a greener future. In conclusion, we are looking at championing sustainability, spearheading the transition to a circular economy, and through unwavering dedication, innovation, and connectivity, we are looking to pave the way for a future where economic growth harmonizes with environmental stewardship. As we move forward, let us draw inspiration from our past journey, collectively work together to a more sustainable and prosperous future, where a world where digital technology, innovation can come together and create a circular economy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time.